In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Tradingview lagging problem. If you've been experiencing delays while using Tradingview, don't worry. We'll walk through some practical steps to enhance your experience and ensure smoother usage. First, let's clarify what causes the lag. Often, the performance issues arise from accumulated cache, outdated applications, or simply too much load on your system. So, an effective resolution starts with a few housekeeping measures. Begin your troubleshooting by clearing the cache. If you're using the desktop app, navigate to the settings menu. Under the service section, you will find the option to clear the cache. Doing this in the browser is straightforward too. Just clear your browser's cache. This gives your system a clean slate and often helps in resolving performance issues. Next, it's crucial to ensure you're running the latest version of Tradingview. Whether you're on a desktop app or using a browser extension, keeping your software updated is essential for receiving the latest performance improvements and bug fixes. So, check for updates regularly and make it a habit to install them promptly. Another important consideration is your system's workload. If you have multiple browser tabs or applications open, these could be draining critical system resources. To address this, close any unused tabs and applications. Freeing up your system from unnecessary processes can significantly enhance the performance of Tradingview. If you're a Windows user, disabling hardware acceleration might also help. This option is available in the app's settings. By turning off hardware acceleration, you could see a reduction in RAM usage, which might resolve the lagging issue and lead to a smoother experience. Now, if you're primarily using Tradingview via a web browser, consider installing the platform as an app. Most modern browsers allow you to do this through a feature called Install Page as App. This creates a standalone window for Tradingview, which can perform better than a typical browser tab, offering quicker response times. Finally, let's look at browser extensions. Sometimes these extensions can interfere with your browser's performance. Disabling them might help. This is especially true for ad blockers, which are notorious for consuming system resources. Try disabling these extensions and assess if your Tradingview experience improves. To wrap up, these steps, clearing cache, updating applications, closing extra tabs, disabling hardware acceleration, using app installations, and managing browser extensions can significantly reduce lag issues with Tradingview. Incorporating these practices not only improves performance, but can also make your interaction with the platform much smoother and more efficient. Thank you for tuning in, and we hope that these tips help you enjoy a better experience on Tradingview.